Hi, everybody. I want to talk a little bit now about why we use acting games in our social groups. Because there's a common misconception among families when they first come to us and hear we use theater to teach social skills. They tend to think we're putting on a show of some kind or teaching their kids some performance tricks to help them work their way through the world. And that's not exactly the case. Rather, we are trying to teach our students to think the way that actors think in rehearsal. And rehearsal is a very different process from performance. In rehearsal, actors are trained to think analytically about the scene. They consider what actors call the given circumstances, which speech therapists would call the social context of the scene. Actors ask questions like who's in the scene? What are the pre existing relationships among those people? Where's the scene set? Where's the scene set in the arc of the story of the play? What do I want to accomplish? What do I know about what the other people think and feel and what they want to accomplish? And the whole process of rehearsal is to use all of this information to guide the choices the actor makes. Now, we teach this process to our kids for a couple of reasons. One, our students who tend to have weak social intuition and impaired perspective taking skills also tend to be good analytical thinkers. Two, this is an approach to analytical thinking that tends to be very fun and very dynamic because the games involve sometimes silly activities, role playing, all kinds of energetic, dynamic, fun activities, which also happen to teach them the benefits of taking care to apply analysis to a scene before making choices. If I were talking to a room full of teachers and had to say in one sentence what it is that we do, I would say that we are giving kids tools to think analytically about social situations that most kids will tend to approach intuitively. And just making sure our families understand that at the beginning of their time with us gives them a very effective context so that when we tell them at the end of each day what we've done and why we've done it, they not only understand very quickly what we're saying, but they're able to place it in the context of the program as a whole.